Come here. Come here. Check out the garage.
Oh my goodness, have you grown up?
I forgot to take it with us.
I don't mind the rain. Bring your life back.
Here's our street and yard. It is March 31st, 2015. They're just about to start on our rain gardens. They're going to be doing Mike's, ours, Hasham's, and the LaBelle's behind me. Already got some machinery out. So the rain gardens are going to help the water filter into the lake better so that we don't have dirty runoff water that ends up in our lake. Here's our house. And we got a siren going. So, right here, about the first 10 feet, starting with the driveway, is going to be rain garden up to about where the roots of the tree are and in a little ways. And then that will turn inward and come this way. So this whole area here is going to be rain garden. And then they'll notch out the curb so there's an area for it to run down into. And this will filter water before it goes into the lake. Here's what it looks like before the project. We'll do photos and video of what it looks like after the project.
The dark, 'cause once you let the light in, you won't see the beautiful stars shining down from afar. No, I ain't afraid of the dark. I don't mind the rain, bringing life back. We can breathe again when dealing with the pain. No, I don't mind the rain. And ooh, that's the way it goes. Life will teach you what you need to know. And ooh, like a river flows, life will take you where you need to go. Don't bother me, 'cause with eyes that's been through life, it's so much easier to see who I am.